Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, let me just say Merry Christmas. As this video airs, it will be Christmas Day, and I'm very excited about that. So I'm going to bring you a treat. And let me just stop and tell you a quick story. Got some Prime 6 charcoal over here throwing some smoke on me. Just lit it. So, years ago, I was raising a couple girls by myself, divorced man, many years ago. And my children every holiday were shipped back and forth between the two families. And they kind of got bored of eating the same meal twice every day. So they basically begged me not to do the traditional Christmas on Christmas Day. So after some discussion, we agreed on a pot of chili. They loved my chili. And as the years went on, my chili has evolved into something I think is pure deliciousness, and it's super easy, guys. And I'm gonna share it to you. Today is my Christmas chili. I make it year round, but it is my Christmas chili. And let me share it with you. Let's get going. All right, boys. I'm ready. This thing heated up. It's a nice little brush here from Grillaholics, tell you what. Heavy duty. Alright guys, we're gonna get things started here. Check out this heavy duty grilling grate I got from Grillaholics. I've got, this is just shy of a pound. I was looking for stew meat, could not find any in my local store, so I just bought about roughly a pound of top sirloin. And we're just gonna smoke this up for a little bit, guys. I'm gonna season this with a little bit of the SPG from Grillaholics. Not real heavy. Got a lot of stuff going on in this cook, so I'm not gonna add a whole lot there. A little bit more. That'll be nice. Spread that out a little bit. Keep it indirect. I'm not going to go real long with this smoke, but I do want to get some smoke on here. Got one piece of just cherry wood. I'll be back in just a bit, folks. Alright guys, would you look at that? There's some beautiful smoke on there. Beautimous, beautimous. I'm gonna scoot this over. I don't know how we're gonna do that all of a sudden. Set that up there like that. We'll throw on our Dutch oven. Let her start getting heated up. This is a 5-quart Lodge Dutch oven. That's gonna come up to temperature pretty quick. This is 3 pounds of ground beef. This is special beef that is dry aged. I picked up from Porter Road. Not a sponsor. Just good stuff. Go ahead and grind that up a little bit. Alright guys, if we can, I'm just going to toss this stew meat right in here with it. Alright, let me get my gloves that I forgot. Alright, let me get that out of here. Alright, we'll let this fry up a little bit. Alright guys, I think we're there. I'm going to run this inside to drain the grease, and I will be right back. Alright guys, let's start making some magic happen here. Real simple guys, this is a Brooks chili mix. Got everything from a can on this one, that's how simple it is. It's just a can of tomato sauce. Can of Rotel. I'm losing daylight, so I hope you can see that, guys. We'll come back in with just a little bit more of that SPG. About a tablespoon or 2 of the chili powder. I said these are just some red pepper flakes. I don't know, a teaspoon or so. And last but not least, just some ground cayenne pepper. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. I don't like too much heat, nor does my family. I'll give this a good mix. One last thing, guys. This is just some spicy V8. And we're just gonna top off the pot. We'll add some more here. A little bit more. Alright, because I can, before I put the top on here, I'm just going to throw a little bit of cherry wood on there and cover us up and get a little bit of smoke on the inside. Not a whole lot though. I'm going to bring this back a little bit over the heat so I can get that up to a boil. Let's see what we got here. It is beautiful. It smells amazing already. We're gonna let this go for probably an hour or so. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. If it gets too hot, I might have to move it over a little bit more indirect, but we'll play with it. So otherwise, we'll see you guys in an hour. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give this a stir. I'm pretty sure we're hot. I want to get some. I want to taste it. Alright guys, let me get this inside. I'll get my family fed and then I'll bowl up a little chili and we'll give us a taste test. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, give this a shot here. I can smell that cherry wood in there. Guys, trust me, on this particular chili, cherry smoke goes perfect on this. Perfect, perfectly cooked. Could have been a little bit thicker. That's my fault. I take it. The flavor's there. Got a little bit more heat than what I was expecting, but that's okay. Guys, wow, thank you so much. And again, let me just say Merry Christmas. It's not when I'm filming it, but when you see it, it's going to be Christmas Day. So thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. So guys, until the next time, I will see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye-bye.